My name is Moses, and I'm here to make a little video about a rhyme called See the Frogs. So basically, See the Frogs is a rhyme for the kids. The first rhyme they learned before I learned an actual song. So please join me as we go to the keyboard. So it's very simple. It's just like this. I'll show you. So you have to play E and A minor together. This is the first line, and the second line. So C and F major together, and then the third line. So on the third line is a bit technical, you just have to be very careful. So I'll play the song, please listen. So I'll show you again. Alright, A minor and E. F and C. I'll also attach a sheet to this video. Please check the subscription below, and I'll see you.